Hey there, and welcome to our group. We are DM Good Marketing, and we are a bunch of digital marketing experts who specialize in digital marketing. So we help with SEO, advertising, social media, website development, just marketing strategy as a whole. We even have people on our team who are HR consultants. So whatever business questions you have, bring them to the table. It doesn't necessarily always have to be just about marketing, but we can definitely help you if it's systems operations. There's so much that we can dive into in this group, and ultimately we're just here to help solve your problems. So introduce yourself below, let us know who you are, and tell us what problems you're facing. It's going to really just help us to create content for you that is going to be beneficial. And 9 times out of 10, there's probably somebody else in this group that's going to be struggling with something that you are struggling with as well. So don't be shy. Let us know what problems you're facing. We are here to help you. This group is 100% free. And we are doing this mostly because, well, we have value to give. So we're a marketing agency. Obviously, we make money off of our services. So whether we're selling advertising, SEO, things of that sort, that's how we make our money. But ultimately, our goal is to help you. And honestly, the platforms that we're going to be teaching through here, we are using a software that's called High Level, which we white label as Damn Good Solutions a lot for our clients. But white labeling basically just helps me to customize it so that way I can get in and help my customers. But either way, High Level compensates me to teach people how to use this. So ultimately, I'm getting paid to teach you. So that's another big reason too why we are doing this for free, because it's just added value for you. But it's not just to teach you how to use software in your business and kind of consolidate all of your systems, but it's here to show you that you don't have to be a tech genius to implement marketing in your business or implement systems in your business. So go ahead, comment below, introduce yourself, let us know who you are, and we are so excited to have you here and to start creating content for you.